Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Let's get to the latest update now from Jammu and Kashmir. In a historic move, in fact, a budget of about 12,600 crore has been approved. This is the budget for district. This is actually the district capex budget. This has been approved for equitable development of Jammu and Kashmir with active involvement, in fact, of panchayats, block development councils and district cooperation council. In fact, the district capex budget for 2021-22 for all 20 districts is more than double of what we had, the last year's budget. If you compare it with that, it was about 5,134.4 crore, and now it has been increased to 12,600.58 crore rupees. Let's go across to Ishan joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Ishan, this is quite significant. From about 5,000 plus crore, now the budget for this year is about 12,600 crore.
Well, absolutely right. J&K LG terming it as a historic move, and this will definitely boost the three-tier Panchayati Raj system, which was first time implemented in Jammu and Kashmir, because panchayats are, a gateway to the development in the rural areas, and particularly in those localities and those places where the government cannot reach directly, and they are the people who have actually given inputs about the development that are needed in their respective areas. Around 20 districts in J&K will benefit out of this capex budget. It will help in development of these blocks and districts, and all the people who are living in these areas and haven't seen development for years, they will be benefited through this budget. Now, LG is correct in saying that it has been doubled, because it was, half of it was even, it was not even half of, budget last year, but this time around, it has been doubled, and, it has been ensured through the participation of public, given their representatives had given their inputs to the deputy commissioners, who then raised the issues and the development that are needed in their areas. This will definitely bring better roads, potable water, electricity, tourism, boost the tourism potential, and empowering youth. And this will all help in growth, socio-economic growth and sustenance of people living particularly in the rural areas. But having said that, this will definitely also boost the grassroots level democracy that the center has been talking about throughout some years. Definitely a big boost for them as well.